Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to read the news because you want to have um, confirmation that it's going to do something, but you also want to have confirmation that it isn't going to backfire because indicators are just indicators until they're not physical, alright? So regardless of what an indicator can say, the stock can still go down. So the trading percentage of just the MACD indicator is 50%, but it's 50%. So you try to boost it with all the other stuff, but you're only going to get up to about 60, maybe 70% profitable, which means like 70% of the trades that you take are wins. And how you can boost that up even higher is you read the news about that company. So we're going to go here. I'm going to show you how to read the news. So you want to close this, and you want to go to, I like at Microsoft Edge better, because they don't try to like scam you on anything. And also they're just better, and they block ads a lot better than Google, and they also don't sell your information. But you can just simply type in the stock. So let's go Microsoft. Boom. As it's loading, should take a second. So Microsoft controls their own news, but you don't want this. You want to go to a Yahoo News. No, not. And they are a very pretty unbiased news source, and all you have to do is type in the company. Microsoft. Now, you have everything on Microsoft, pretty much. So Microsoft makes mistakes, fund first, climate change investments, whatever. And basically, you want to read each one of these. So let's just read this one. This one seems more stocky than anything. Q4 reports. As you can see, Microsoft first record report, whatever. Steady improvements, which means nothing's really doing good. I mean, it's doing good, but it's just growing really steadily. Growing 19%, hit a business 21 a quarter, and then just look for keywords that mean good. If it means good, then it's a good article. Then just read the other top ones, and if there's more good than bad, and then you're predicting the stock to go up, then that just supports it. So then you're going to be 75 to 80% profitable if you just read this. And if there's more good than bad, that'll make you more profitable. And if it's all good, that'll make you way more profitable. So then that's basically how you read the news. Look for keywords. If it seems good, it's good. And if it seems bad, it's bad.